How to remove app lock from Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first we will launch the settings application on your device and then just scroll down to apps. Next, you can see the option of app lock at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on app lock. And as you tap on app lock, you'll have to enter your password, and here you'll be able to see all the applications that you have logged. So these are the apps that you have logged, and there are the apps that you have not logged as well. These are mentioned below, which are all toggled off. Now these all toggled on options are actually the apps that you have logged. So in order to remove the app lock from this, all you have to do is just toggle off these options, go back, and as you tap on these applications, you can directly go and you do not have to add or use any sort of passkey. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.